you mad? Are you stupid? Is there anything you say? You don't know how to control your words? There are some things you should feed them and there are some things you should not feed them. We don't have sense at that point. Okay.
And we don't talk with your mouth.
I expected you to have sense. It's because of this senselessness of yours now that's making me think twice about you.
I don't get my thing. I saw.
Which kind of relationship with this one? Jarvis, you two do. Why you go dey talk to a man like that? Even though Peller sometimes go dey behave like wetin I no understand, like wetin robots dey press, but your words are too harsh. Abeg, you can't be like una relationship no dey healthy. I be una dey force things, cause I no understand. My people wetin una think, abeg. As I watch this video, na so I open my mouth and say this is too much. Guys, drop your opinion for comment section. Do you think the way Jarvis is talking to Peller is good? Write down for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Stay safe out there. Bye.